So today I have left Wanaka this morning and I am in search of something that I didn't even know existed. I am here looking for blue penguins. So we're driving up the coast today. So we've stopped first at the Moeraki Boulders on the beach and we're going to keep on going to see if we can find ourselves some blue penguins. So I'm hoping that we're going to have a little bit more luck because we managed to go to Patagonia, to Ushuaia, all the way down as far as we could go without finding a single penguin. So fingers crossed for a little more luck. So now that anybody seems to be listening, don't touch the boulders. Don't climb on the boulders. Yeah. So it's got a little bit windy here on the coast, though being on the east coast is definitely more favourable than the west coast at the minute. That's closed due to floods. But the rock formations here are natural formations through the currents and how everything happens here. Oh, it's raining now as well. But it's just really funny because it's such a long beach and the boulders are just in one little section, which is also where all the people are. It's getting, okay, I'm getting wet. I'll put the camera away now. We have a little problem. That's not quite going to plan. No penguins and we're stuck. So now we have a good Samaritan trying to help us unstick the van. Yeah. So today's not exactly going to plan. We are well and truly wedged on the drain pipe on the roof, I'm not entirely sure. We've phoned in and now we think we're waiting for a recovery or something, but can't go forwards, can't go backwards. Stuck. Oh dear. Cavalry's arrived. Oh, fingers crossed. A bit nervous about standing here this time. Oh, oh. Yay! We're free! Just a dent. He made that look easy. Well, we're unstuck. Let's see what happens.